Hey nieces and nephews, let's find a random fishing spot to go to. You know when you be driving, you been seeing that body of water that you just been keep passing. You think it's fishing there. Go ahead and stop. I mean, this a small body of water, but it's still some water, so we gonna try it out. And we gonna use this good old fajita meat we got from that Mexican restaurant the other day.
All right, let us see. One spot down, more to go. We ain't catch shit.
It wasn't a motherfucking thing in there.
Nothing.